When new machinery arrives on the factory floor, the historical pattern is straightforward. The spinning jenny mechanized the textile mill, and robotic arms eventually took over the welding lines of modern auto plants. Now, as artificial intelligence systems scale in capability, there is widespread societal anxiety that entire cognitive professions are next, that roles like graphic design or software engineering will simply vanish. But to measure this threat, we often rely on a flawed lens. We look at broad job titles and rely on subjective surveys, asking people to guess what might happen to their careers over the next decade. Attempting to predict the future by looking only at monolithic occupations creates an incomplete picture of the economy. It fuels anxiety without accurately describing what the technology is actually doing today. To find out what is actually happening, the Anthropic Economic Index analyzed an unprecedented dataset, 1 million anonymized, real-world conversations on Claude. The research relies on a critical insight from labor economics. To understand a technology's impact, you cannot look at jobs, you have to look at occupational tasks. For example, a radiologist and a security screener share the specific task of visual pattern recognition, even if their job titles are completely different. Analyzing labor at this level shows that AI adoption happens selectively, task by task, rather than sweeping through entire professions at once. Rather than guessing about the fate of whole professions, the focus shifts to measuring the microscopic, daily actions of human labor. The structural map for this research comes from the U.S. Department of Labor. They maintain ONET, a massive database categorizing roughly 20,000 specific work-related tasks that make up the U.S. economy. To connect real AI usage to this database without exposing user data, Anthropic developed an automated analysis tool called Clio. Clio takes an anonymized conversation, strips away human identity, and matches the interaction to the exact ONET task the AI was performing. Once mapped, these individual tasks can be grouped back together into broader occupational categories, like software development or business finance, for macro-level analysis. By isolating the specific actions people take, this dataset provides a clear, empirical picture of exactly where AI currently operates in the workforce. Looking across this vast ecosystem of tasks reveals exactly who is using these tools. This chart maps median annual wages against the percentage of AI conversations, forming a distinct bell-shaped curve. At the far edges, including low-wage and high-wage physical labor, adoption is virtually zero. The heaviest adoption clusters in the middle, predominantly in cognitive roles like software developers. AI systems aren't replacing the physical extremes of the labor force. They are deeply entrenched in the daily, screen-based tasks of the middle class. Seeing this concentration leads back to the fear that cognitive workers are actively training their own replacements. Yet the data shows only about 4% of jobs use AI for at least 3/4 of their tasks. Entire job automation remains a statistical rarity. This chart breaks down how tasks are performed, revealing a split. 57. This empirical snapshot points to a specific trajectory for the labor market. As AI is adopted selectively across individual, disparate tasks, rather than absorbing entire job descriptions, the trend points toward the evolution of roles, not extinction. As machines handle the repetitive components of a job, human workers are freed up to focus on higher-level problem-solving and strategy. The jobs of tomorrow are already present in the economy today. They are simply transforming task by task. This data represents an early snapshot, heavily focused on the text and coding capabilities of current models. As frontier systems become more capable, the distribution of these tasks will continue to shift. To track these ongoing shifts, Anthropic is open sourcing this dataset for the global community to analyze over time. Preparing for the coming transformations requires economists and researchers and policymakers to collaborate and study these task dynamics closely. Humanity is building a new class of intelligence to handle discrete tasks, shifting labor toward the complex, collaborative work that remains uniquely our own.